Unraveling Time, the magic of going back in time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the enchanting world of the English language. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, going back in time. Whether you're a language learner or just curious, this video promises to shed light on this captivating concept. So, sit back, relax, and let's unravel the mystery of time travel in language together. The phrase, going back in time, is a popular expression in English that captivates the imagination. It means to return to the past, either literally in the context of science fiction or figuratively when reminiscing about old memories. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from literature and movies to everyday conversations about past experiences. Literal use. In a literal sense, going back in time refers to the concept of time travel, where characters in science fiction stories travel to the past to experience or alter events. It's a theme rich with adventure and the exploration of what-if scenarios. Figurative use. Figuratively, this phrase is often used to express a desire to revisit the past, either to relive fond memories or to correct past mistakes. When someone says, "I wish I could go back in time," they're expressing a longing for a past moment or a chance to change a decision they regret. Going back in time has been a central theme in many books, movies, and TV shows. Classics like Back to the Future or Doctor Who have captured the imagination of millions by exploring the possibilities of time travel. These stories often use the concept to highlight the impact of individual actions on the future or the importance of appreciating the present. This phrase can be a great addition to your English vocabulary. Here are some examples of how to use it. Reminiscing. Looking at these old photos feels like going back in time. Wishing for change. If I could go back in time, I'd study harder for that exam. Storytelling. The book takes you back in time to the Victorian era. We hope this journey through the phrase, going back in time, has been as enlightening for you as it was exciting for us. Understanding these expressions enriches your English language skills and opens up new avenues of communication and creativity. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its power to transcend time and space, allowing us to explore the depths of the past and the possibilities of the future. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more language adventures with you.